Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can enable 120 FPS on Fortnite in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find game library. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to enable 120 FPS on Fortnite in the PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. First of all, go ahead and click on settings and then search for screen and video. Once you click on screen and video, here you're gonna find video output, screen and BD or DVD. Go ahead and click on video output and then here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your monitor. Right now, scroll down a little bit and then here you're gonna find resolution and frequency. First of all, make sure you select the maximum resolution possible that you have and then scroll a little bit down and right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find 120 Hz output. Make sure you set it on automatic. If you set it on automatic, that means 120 Hz is enabled. For the games that support 120 Hz frame rate, if you experience video output problems with these games, turn off these settings. So if you set it on automatic, this means the option is on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.